Hi guys, I am Jean Sans. I work at DECATHLON in the north of France. I am the Sport Tracking Data API leader, and I am here to present you our Sport Tracking Data API in this quick video. Sport Tracking Data API is an API which manages all sports sessions from our connected product at Decathlon, GPS watches, connected treadmill, etc., and our free mobile application, Decathlon Coach. In practice, we allow you to do quantify yourself on your sports sessions. We manage 60 different sports. We have many data like activity duration, distance, GPS tracks, curves during the activity like heart rate, elevation. Based on your activities, we calculate statistics per sport, per period, and all your personal records. We use this API for our internal needs, but we are also open to the whole sport ecosystem. There are two main use cases. Connect your application as a satellite. You will improve the user experience by better analysis, challenges, ranking between users, etc. The second use case is to connect a new source of sport activities if you build an application or a device and you don't want to manage the backend, or you want to propose many backends to store the activities of the users. Let's see now the API documentation. If you want to connect your application, the start point is here. The documentation is hosted on developers.decathlon.com. We describe the registration process, the aim of the API, and how to use it. We try to minimize the time to get your first API call when you get all the API credentials. I want to show you a quick demo of some simple API calls. But before to start, I want to introduce the authentication part. For your information, we use OAuth v2 for the login with the authorization code flow. Then you could get a JSON web token. So in each request, you have to indicate the either authorization with a mirror. You have also to indicate your API key. It allows us to manage the quota per application. Now let's use Postman application. I set up all the endpoints for some API calls. I want to introduce the referentials part of our API. We did a lot of abstraction to describe the data. For example, here you have the data types. It is all the units used to describe the activities on other things. For example, for the ID number 1, you have your heart rate current. For the ID 5, you have the distance expressed in meter. Remember this number, we'll see it after. As units, we have an abstraction for the sport. We have here the sport list with all sport described with an ID number. Let's see the number 121. It is a running. We'll see it after too. With a simple call to /me, I can see my user and its ID. With the ID, here I can call all my stats. So I can get all my years of activity and all data consolidated by year and by sports. So here you can see for this sport it is walking. I did in 2013 12,000 meters. Now let's see the activities. I can get all my list of activities with a brief summary. For example, for this activity, it was the sport 121, so it is running. I can see the duration in seconds, the start date, etc. etc. Here I get all the content of the activity. With my data summaries, it is the overview of my activity. So during this running, I did in the distance 6,700 meters. I can see a part named data stream. It represents all the curves during the activity with an elapsed time in seconds. So here at 19 seconds, I did 0 meters. But at 25 seconds, I did 10 meters. The other big part of the activity is the location node here. As a data stream, you have the elapsed time here and each GPS point registered during your activity. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. We have a lot of functionalities. You can discover it on our API documentation. And I wish you happy coding with our API sports tracking data. Goodbye.